Hello, I'm on this ongoing mission to make the workshop a nice place to be. And I'm revisiting a project that I've already done 2 times today, and that's the windows. When I first moved in, I made some shutters for them. I was really pleased how they worked. They worked great, but I think when the weather got a little darker, they ended up cutting out a bit too much light. I had them just clipped on, so I just taped them off while I was filming and put them back on at the end of the day. That got a bit frustrating, so I rethought and went for some window film. Some reflective stuff, good for security, and it cut out a bit of light, which actually helped. I must have done this in the spring or the summer when I thought cutting out light was a good idea. But now winter's come along and it's cutting out a bit too much light. You can really see the difference. So I think I need another solution. Hopefully 3rd time's the charm. My plan is to make some window bars. You can just buy them, but I think it'd be an interesting project and I can make them probably cheaper. So I have some steel flat bar to use. First job is to go and measure how long I need them to be. I've got the steel, I've got the measurements, and now we just need to get these cut down. What I'm going to do is get the vise out, clamp them in there, and I'm just going to use a hacksaw to cut them. I'm going to get these attached to the window frames using some screws, so I need a couple of holes either end for them. So I'm just going to get marked out and then drilled. I took these inside and gave them a wash to get any grease off. Now, because they need to be on the wall outside, I need to get some protective paint on, so I'm going to go for some black metal paint. Whilst I wait for those to dry, I can get these windows stripped out. I need to take everything out and then get the film removed, and then I'm going to put the shelves back. I realise I need to do this first because my plan is to install the bars exactly where the shelves go, but on the outside. So from inside you won't see the bars and they won't cut out any more light. But I can't do that with the film in place because I can't see through the windows. I I had window bars on my old workshop and I had them on the inside. That's the more traditional way of installing them. But because I've got these shelves, that's why I'm putting them on the outside, which is not always the most secure way, having something screwed, because you can unscrew it. So what I've got is some security screws, little hex ones with a pin in the middle. Now, obviously they could still be unscrewed, but I feel with security, you're never going to get 100% secure. It's more just to put people off, and bars on the window will help. If people are determined, they can come with an angle grinder, but this is a little residential street. You don't want to make noise. This would definitely deter any opportunists. I've cut a little block of wood that will sit here, and that's the same gap as my shelves. So then I can get this rests on top, and I've got a self-centering drill bit. I'm going to drill some pilot holes if I don't drop the wood, and then I can get it screwed into place with the security screws. These security screws are stainless steel, so they're fine to be left outside, but I don't like the look of the silver, so I'm just going to paint them, and actually filling the screw holes up with some paint is going to make them extra secure. I'm pleased how these come out. It's letting a lot more light in here, and hopefully, well, it's actually increased the security. The bars are more secure than the film, probably. It just means people can see in. I think security is one of those complicated things. You've got to find a compromise between being secure and actually having a workable space. If people want to break in, they're always going to, unfortunately, but hopefully this will be a deterrent. So, thank you for watching, everyone. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.